So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is kth largest element in an array, in which we are given an unsorted array and we need to find the kth largest element in it. Now one way is to sort it, and we can of course find the kth largest element after that very easily. But another way can be to use priority queue. Now priority queues are of two type. Either it can be a min heap or a max heap. So a min heap always stores the minimum value in its top, and max heap always store the maximum value in its top. So what we can do, that we can use that principle only, and we can first of all push all the elements into the priority queue, and then until and unless now we are using max heap, so we will have maximum element at the top. So we will keep on popping the elements for k minus 1 times. So we will reach a situation where we will so after popping k minus 1 times, we will have kth largest element at the top, and then we can simply return pq dot top. There are other methods also using quick sort like technique, in which we partition the array, and then on the basis of the index, and then we see that whether it is kth largest or not. There are some methods as well, but this one is the optimized one. And the question is intended itself to start us with priority queue. So yeah, guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, like the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. We shall see you next time.